When you think of classic holiday desserts, the first thing that comes to mind may be Christmas cookies.
Yeah, well, if you're looking for an easy gingerbread cookie recipe, our partners at Better Homes and Gardens have you covered. Take a look.
Start with a medium glass bowl. Add in whole wheat flour, cinnamon, ginger, baking soda, nutmeg, salt, ground cloves, and mix well. Add 2 sticks of butter in a separate bowl and start mixing. Gradually beat in sugar and continue to mix. Then add egg and mix again. Molasses, then lemon juice, and continue mixing until it's even. Add the flour mixture and you know what to do, mix well. Next, add the remaining flour mixture and stir with a wooden spoon. Next up, break out the saran wrap. Put the dough on top, wrap up tightly in a square without any air pockets. Cover and chill for 3 hours. Then, sprinkle whole wheat flour and grab the mixture. Roll to 1/8 of an inch, grab your cookie cutters and start pressing the shapes of your gingerbread men. As many as you can fit. Remove excess dough, place on baking sheet, put in the oven for 8 to 10 minutes. Let cool, decorate with royal icing, and enjoy the holiday classic.
For more tips, go to bhg.com, and we should point out Better Homes and Gardens, owned by the same company that owns this television station. That is the Meredith Corporation.